Okay, as promised, let's talk really quickly about our execution order. So we've talked a lot about kind of the different pieces of our basic SQL syntax. We've talked about some window functions. We've talked about, understanding aggregations and the importance of group by and aggregations and what that's used for. So we talked about it kind of in order of how it gets got written. Let's talk really quickly about execution order. So even though we write SQL top down, the database engine doesn't actually run it that way. I know, we're all shocked and surprised, right? Here is the actual execution order. So it starts with your from and your join statement. So, all those tables that you're listing out in your from statement and how they relate to each other, it's going to execute that piece first so that it understands what's being used and how it relates to each other. Next, it's going to do your filtering, so your where statement. So when you say where customer equals California, customer state equals California, then it's going to go ahead and exclude everybody else except for those customers that are in California for your result set. Next, it's going to do your group by. So again, order is important here. So you want to exclude anything that you're going to exclude. So do your filtering in your where statement before you're worried about your aggregations, right? So then you're going to do your group by. Following group by is something we didn't touch yet, and that is your having statement. So having is similar to your where statement, but it happens after your aggregation, after your grouping. So for instance, say that you are grouping by region, right? So kind of the what we were talking about before, and say you're